You know, sometimes it's great to have things in a cupboard that just are like they go-to snack or provide a moment of inspiration for those occasions that you need to make something quickly and you don't have the time to do anything too elaborate. And Safcold tinned smoked trout provides the perfect opportunity to create those little things of deliciousness. So I'm going to make quickly a little smoked trout dip. Now imagine you've got some friends come around and someone's bought a bottle of wine and you want to have a little nibble on something and you don't have any cheese or anything elaborate. So you might have some smoked trout in your fridge or some tinned tuna or something similar. So today we're going to make a quick little dip. So I'm going to put some cream cheese in my food processor and we're quickly going to beat this up. Now, we've got our go-to tin of Safcold smoked trout. And I'm just going to take that out of the packet. Depending on how much smoked trout flavour you want will depend on the quantity you use. But I've got one tin here and I'll see how I go. I've got another if I need it. Just push all of this cream cheese down from the side. And into that, we're going to add our smoked trout. I've got some chopped onions, maybe 2 tablespoons, a little bit of lemon juice, squeeze of half a lemon to begin with. Should be more than enough. Just a little bit of acidity and moisture to help loosen that cheese. And then my favourite herb to go with smoked fish is dill. So about a tablespoon of chopped dill. It marries so well with the sort of richness of the smoked trout. In we go, just like that. And then lastly, some little brine capers or pickled capers, and that goes really well with smoked trout or salmon. Make sure all that cream cheese is pushed in from the outside, back down with the old machine, and we start off slow, and then we just beat, and we beat it until it's lovely and soft. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and a generous amount of black pepper. And now we just come back, just check it out. Oh, that's lovely. Nice and loose. Make sure all that cream cheese is scraped off the sides. You want to incorporate as much as possible. And we can have a little taste here. Yum. That's really delish. Again, quick little beat. And we're almost ready for serving. I've got some little crudités here. So I've got some celery, some little mini cucumbers, got some carrot sticks, and you can serve it as well with some lovely biscuits or your favourite toasted bread. And that is how quick and simple it is. Now, we're just going to take this out. Got a little serving dish here. We just scrape that from the sides, and we just put that into the middle, like so. Now, whatever you don't eat, you want to just chuck in an airtight container. And this is perfect for spreading on some toast in the morning. Let's have a little taste. Yum. You got the lemon, you got the lovely smoky richness of the smoked trout, the crunch of the onions and the capers, and of course, the wonderful aromatic flavour of the dill. And all we have to do is get our serving dish and arrange our vegetables around the outside, however you like to do it. And just to finish this off, I'll grab some toasted bread from the oven. So you can either do it in the oven or a toaster, but I just got some Turkish bread and cut some pieces so it's nice and crispy. Something that's a little bit robust so you can smear your pate or your smoked trout dip. And then we have a really quick treat created from a store cupboard ingredient that's bound to satisfy your guests.